To make someone miss you badly, you can adopt a few strategies that revolve around creating positive experiences and allowing for a healthy amount of distance. Here are some tips. Number 1. Be memorable. Creating positive and memorable experiences together is fundamental in making someone miss you. Engage in activities that you both genuinely enjoy, as shared interests can forge stronger connections. For instance, if both of you love the outdoors, plan a weekend hiking trip or a picnic in a scenic park. These experiences are not only fun but also create a backdrop for meaningful conversations and bonding moments. Additionally, try new things together, such as cooking a new recipe, attending a concert of a favorite band, or even taking a spontaneous road trip. The novelty and excitement of these activities can leave a lasting impression. It's also important to be fully present during these moments. Put away distractions like phones and focus on engaging in deep, meaningful conversations. Laugh together, share your dreams and fears, and create inside jokes. These shared experiences and the emotions tied to them will become cherished memories, making them think of you fondly whenever they recall those times. By being an integral part of their happiest moments, you ensure that your presence lingers in their thoughts long after you're apart, making them miss you and look forward to creating more memories together. Number 2. Stay busy. Staying busy by leading an active and fulfilling life is a powerful way to make someone miss you. When you immerse yourself in hobbies, interests, and personal goals, you demonstrate that you have a rich and independent life beyond your relationship. This independence is attractive because it shows self-sufficiency and confidence, qualities that are universally appealing. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it's learning a new instrument, volunteering, pursuing career aspirations, or spending time with friends and family. Not only do these activities enrich your life, but they also provide you with new experiences and stories to share, making your interactions more interesting and dynamic. Additionally, when you're busy, it creates a natural distance that allows the other person to miss your presence and appreciate the time you spend together even more. This balance between personal fulfillment and the relationship helps maintain a healthy dynamic, preventing either party from feeling smothered or overly dependent. By showing that you have a life full of passion and purpose, you become more intriguing and desirable, leaving them longing for your company and the excitement you bring into their life. Number 3. Give space. Giving space is a crucial aspect of fostering a healthy and lasting relationship. By avoiding being too available, you create a balance that allows both partners to maintain their individuality and independence. Allowing for some distance and time apart can foster a sense of longing and anticipation, which can reignite the excitement and passion in the relationship. When you give each other space, you give yourselves the opportunity to miss one another, which can strengthen the emotional bond. This doesn't mean neglecting the relationship, but rather finding a healthy balance between togetherness and personal time. Use this time apart to pursue your own interests and passions and encourage your partner to do the same. This not only enriches your individual lives, but also brings fresh experiences and perspectives to share with each other. When you do come back together, the time apart can make your moments together more special and meaningful. It also prevents the relationship from becoming monotonous or suffocating. By respecting each other's need for space, you show trust and understanding, which are essential for a strong and healthy relationship. This balance can lead to a deeper connection and a more resilient bond, making the time spent together truly cherished. Number 4. Be unpredictable. Being unpredictable in a relationship can inject a sense of excitement and novelty that keeps the connection vibrant and engaging. Occasionally doing something unexpected or out of the ordinary can captivate your partner's interest and keep you on their mind. This could be as simple as planning a surprise date night, sending a spontaneous, heartfelt message, or picking up a small gift that reminded you of them. These unexpected gestures break the routine and show that you're thinking about them in creative ways. It's about creating moments that stand out from the everyday and spark joy or curiosity. For example, you might spontaneously suggest a weekend getaway, enroll the two of you in a fun class, or surprise them with tickets to a concert they've been wanting to see. These surprises don't have to be grand, even small, thoughtful acts can have a big impact. The element of surprise can reignite the spark and prevent the relationship from becoming predictable and mundane. It shows that you are invested in keeping the relationship fresh and exciting. By being unpredictably thoughtful and adventurous, you make yourself a source of joy and intrigue, ensuring that your partner looks forward to the next unexpected delight you bring into their life. Number 5. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a strong and lasting relationship. When you communicate, strive to make it meaningful by sharing interesting stories, being a good listener, and showing genuine interest in your partner's life. Open up about your day, your dreams, and your thoughts, allowing your partner to see and understand the real you. This openness fosters intimacy and trust. Equally important is listening attentively when your partner speaks. Show that you value their words by maintaining eye contact, asking follow-up questions, and reflecting on what they've shared. This demonstrates that you care about their experiences and emotions. Be present in the conversation, free from distractions like phones or TV, which shows that you prioritize their company. Sharing interesting stories about your own life can also keep the conversation engaging and enjoyable. Whether it's a funny incident at work or a fascinating fact you learned, these anecdotes can bring laughter and joy into your interactions. By showing genuine interest in their hobbies, goals, and concerns, you make them feel valued and understood. This mutual exchange of meaningful communication can deepen your emotional connection and ensure that your relationship remains strong and fulfilling, keeping you both feeling close and appreciated. Number 6. Maintain your appearance. Maintaining your appearance is an important aspect of self-care that can significantly boost your confidence and make you more attractive to your partner. Taking the time to groom yourself, dress well, and stay fit not only enhances your physical appeal but also demonstrates self-respect and self-discipline. When you feel good about how you look, it translates into greater confidence and a positive self-image, which is inherently attractive. This doesn't mean conforming to unrealistic beauty standards, but rather embracing a version of yourself that you feel proud of. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good hygiene are fundamental components of this. Additionally, wearing clothes that make you feel comfortable and stylish can elevate your mood and the way you carry yourself. The effort you put into your appearance can also be a way of showing your partner that you care about the relationship and want to present your best self to them. It keeps the spark alive by reminding them of the qualities that initially attracted them to you. Moreover, when you take care of yourself, you set a positive example, encouraging your partner to do the same, which can lead to a healthier and more vibrant relationship overall. Number 7. Be positive and supportive. Being a source of positivity and support in someone's life can create a deep and lasting emotional bond. When you consistently bring positive energy into your interactions, you become a beacon of light that they look forward to being around. Simple acts of kindness, encouragement, and a cheerful disposition can significantly impact their mood and overall outlook on life. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small, and provide comfort and reassurance during challenging times. Your unwavering support helps build a foundation of trust and reliability, showing them that they can count on you. This consistent presence of positivity makes you indispensable in their life. Additionally, Maintaining an optimistic attitude can help diffuse conflicts and foster a peaceful and loving environment. Laughter, smiles, and shared moments of joy contribute to a reservoir of happy memories that they will cherish and long for when you're not around. By being someone who makes them feel valued, understood, and uplifted, you become an integral part of their emotional well-being. This positive reinforcement not only strengthens your bond but also ensures that you remain in their thoughts, as people naturally gravitate towards those who make them feel good and supported. Number 8. Use social media wisely. Using social media wisely can be an effective way to remind someone of your presence and keep them engaged with your life. Share highlights and positive moments that showcase your interests, achievements, and the enjoyable experiences you have. Whether it's a beautiful sunset from your latest hike, a fun outing with friends, or a new hobby you've taken up, these posts can subtly keep you in their thoughts and spark their interest. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. Overposting or sharing every minute detail of your life can come off as trying too hard or seeking constant attention, which can be off-putting. Instead, aim for quality over quantity. Curate your content to reflect the best and most genuine parts of your life, allowing your personality and values to shine through. Engaging with their posts thoughtfully can also keep the connection alive without overwhelming them. Commenting on their achievements or showing support for their interests can demonstrate that you care and are attentive. By maintaining this balance, you create a compelling and attractive online presence that keeps them curious and connected, without crossing into the territory of oversharing or seeming insincere. Number 9. Build anticipation. Building anticipation by planning future activities or events together can significantly enhance the excitement and connection in a relationship. When you discuss and arrange future plans, it gives both of you something to eagerly look forward to, fostering a sense of shared purpose and excitement. Whether it's a weekend getaway, attending a concert, trying a new restaurant, or even a simple movie night, these plans create a series of positive expectations. The anticipation of these events can keep you both engaged and invested in the relationship, providing a steady stream of enjoyable experiences to look forward to. This forward-looking approach not only strengthens your bond but also helps maintain a sense of novelty and adventure in your interactions. It allows you to create lasting memories together and gives you topics to discuss and dream about in the meantime. Additionally, planning together can help align your schedules and priorities, showing that you value and prioritize time spent with each other. By continuously setting and looking forward to these shared experiences, you keep the relationship dynamic and infused with positive energy, making them miss you and eagerly anticipate the next adventure you'll embark on together. Number 10. Be independent. Demonstrating independence and self-sufficiency is an appealing quality that can significantly enhance your attractiveness and desirability. When you show that you are capable of leading your own life, pursuing your goals, and managing your responsibilities, you convey strength and confidence. This independence reflects a sense of self-reliance that is both inspiring and compelling. Engaging in activities that you are passionate about, achieving personal milestones, and handling challenges on your own showcase your ability to thrive independently. This not only boosts your self-esteem but also sets a positive example for your partner. It underscores that you are not reliant on them for your happiness or fulfillment, which can make the time you spend together more meaningful. By being self-sufficient, you also allow for a healthier, more balanced relationship where both partners contribute equally and appreciate each other's individuality. This sense of balance and mutual respect can deepen your emotional connection, making you more desirable as a partner. Independence in a relationship helps prevent codependency, fosters personal growth, and ensures that the relationship remains exciting and based on mutual admiration rather than necessity. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between being present and giving space, creating positive experiences and maintaining your own life and interests.